Okay, so after all basic things from the chapter which we have learned, now we will solve the question from the exercise by using the Heron's formula. Okay, in the first question of the exercise it is given a traffic signal board representing school ahead is an equilateral triangle. Okay, there is a signal board in this shape, that is equilateral triangle shape. Okay, and here it is written school ahead. Okay, this is a traffic signal board where school ahead is written, is an equilateral triangle with side A. The sides of the triangle is A. Okay, all the sides are equal as it is an equilateral triangle. By using Heron's formula, if its perimeter is 180 centimeter, the perimeter of the triangle is given, perimeter is 180 centimeter. What is perimeter? Perimeter means boundary of the triangle. If its perimeter is 180 centimeter, what will be the area of the signal board? We have to find out what is the area of this signal board. Okay, this much area we have to find out, the signal board's area. So already I have given you the area of equilateral triangle is, area is root 3 by 4 a square. This is very easy formula to calculate the area of this triangle. For this question you have to use Heron's formula to find the area of this triangle. Remember, Heron's formula can be used to find the area of any triangle, either it is equilateral, right angle, scalene, isosceles, obtuse angle, acute angle, any triangle. So first of all we will find out the side of the triangle. Okay, first of all we will find out the side of the triangle. Suppose the triangle is ABC. What is the perimeter? Perimeter is 180. What is the perimeter of a triangle I have given? Sum of all the side, that is AB plus BC plus AC equals to 180. Okay, in place of perimeter I wrote the formula, sum of three sides, AB plus BC plus AC. Okay, now what is AB? AB is A. What is BC? A. What is AC? A. All are equal because it is an equilateral triangle. A plus A plus A is 3A equals to 180. Divide 3 here. A equals to 180 degree by 3. That is 3 1 ja, 3 6 ja, 18. That means A we got 60 degree. How much we got A? A we got 60 degree. Okay. So whenever we will use Heron's formula, I told you first you write the sides of the triangle. So the sides of the triangle will be, A is 60, B is also 60, C is also 60, because all the sides are equal. Suppose I will take this as A, this as B, this as C. All the sides are equal, so all the sides are 60 degree. Now find out the value of S. S is A plus B plus C by 2. That is 60 plus 60 plus 60 by 2 equals to 180 by 2 is 90. So S, value of S is 90 we got. Now we will use Heron's formula. Formula is area equals to S, S minus A, S minus B, S minus C. This is the Heron's formula. Okay, what is S? S is 90. 90 minus A is 60. 90 minus B is again 60. 90 minus C is again 60. So everywhere we will subtract 60 degree. Equals to 90 will be as it is. 90 minus 60 is 30. 90 minus 60 is 30. 90 minus 60 is 30. Okay, so this much we have got. As already I told you, wherever you will see pair of number, take out one outside the square root. So I will write out of these 230, 130 I will take outside. So how much is left inside the bracket? 90 into 30. Okay, between these two, one I have taken outside the square root. Now 90 can be written as 3 into 30. 33 is a 90 into one more 30 is there. Okay, already. Now out of these again one we have to take outside. 30 into 30. This 30 is already there. Out of these 230, 130 I will take outside the square root. So what is left inside the square root? This is single. so it will be left inside the square root. Now 30 into 30 is 3 3s are 9. 900 root 3, that is 900 root 3 meter square is the area of the equilateral triangle. Okay, so this much is the area of the traffic signal board. Getting? So whenever you got any question, find out A, B, C, use the Heron's formula, find out the pair of numbers and take out one number outside the square root, then whatever is left inside the square root, leave it as it is, multiply the rest of the numbers. So we got 900 root 3. So this much is the area of the traffic signal board. Area of traffic signal board equals to 900 root 3 meter square.